Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming power and essential modules. This prevents resets mid-setup. Once the battery reads at least 50%, or you plug into power, attach antenna or sensor modules securely, twist until snug. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to start the unit, and watch the LED pattern for the ready signal. If the device shows a red blink, make sure connections are firm. Otherwise, proceed to pairing and configuration steps to continue setup. You now move into configuration. This is where the gadget becomes useful. Open the WR app, choose the device ID shown on screen, and enter the default PIN when asked, then change it for security. Follow the calibration prompts and take 1 to 2 test measurements so baselines match real conditions. Once calibrated, set operation modes, alert thresholds, and auto shutdown timers. This ensures accuracy and battery efficiency. Make sure to save profiles, otherwise you'll repeat calibration later. You finish by validating the whole system. Run a complete functional test to confirm readings and network connectivity are stable. Once done, save your profile and run a controlled operation for 5 to 10 minutes to observe behavior under load. This reveals timing or thermal issues. If something goes wrong, reboot the gadget, reseat any modular attachments, and reset network settings before re-attempting. This simple troubleshooting step resolves most faults quickly and prevents unnecessary returns or service calls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.